Yes, why two are present today? But you should.
In
We
the,
have a spirit of having a session. Okay, very good, nice.
yes, ma'am.
And yesterday we discussed. We are coming to know more about in deep. We are knowing more about the
Yes,
interview.
ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yeah.
The more we know, the more we get focused and we can prepare well.
Yeah.
Yes, ma'am.
So if we are going for the interview, you will be attending different sort of different companies interviews. Okay, different sort of interviews you are attending. So you will be getting experience and how to handle that. So it's a good that you should know about the what kind of it's a philosophy of taking any people, okay, taking any candidate, making that candidate as a part of his organization. So that is a thing they will check personality as well skill set. So based on the type of interview yesterday we have seen, okay, different types of interviews are there. So first screening is the first interview is non-directive. Okay, so today also we have some more examples about the types of interviews. So actually in your mind, what is an interview? Can you say what is an interview? Interview, we can say it is a communication conversation between two person, isn't it? So it is a conversation between the interviewer and the candidate to assess the candidate based on his background and personality, qualification background, academic background, and his personality. So they will assess during interview. It is a conversation. Okay. So conversation based on their qualification, skill set, as well personality also. How is the person that they are going to recruit, okay, for a long term, like for a year or 2 years, they may have for 2 years also. Okay, so this is interview is an conversation between two person to assess his background and personal qualification, academics, everything. So this is about the interview. Okay, so in your mind, what kind of interviews you have faced till now? You just have a discussion today, then we have a presentation about the interview. Okay, common. I can say this. What are the different types of interviews? We focus on that today.
Yes, ma'am. Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh, ma'am.
Walaikum assalam.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, in during my engineering, I was joined with that JKC. I think you have heard about that, ma'am. Like it was a finishing school kind of thing, ma'am. Finishing school. So wherein they'll be conducting on-campus interviews. So there I got an opportunity to attend 3 4 interviews.
Mhm.
So in that interviews, basically, ma'am, depending upon the profile, first we had like a written test, a written screening. So once an individual goes through that written test, then there'll be a second round, wherein the second round they'll be asking more of the technical stuff, like technical questions related to the job description and the profile that they are looking for. Then then they were having one more session of like the third session, wherein they'll be seeing the like just a minute session, or they'll be giving like a group discussion kind of thing, ma'am.
Okay.
And fourth and the final round was actually HR. So in this I think I have gone till third or fourth round, ma'am, but I don't know where I went wrong. But eventually I was not selected in the during the campus drive, ma'am. I attended 3 4 interviews, but it was a very good learning experience for me, ma'am.
Yeah, 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 yeah. So if you attend the interviews, you get a learning experience. As you said, you get experience or and different modes of
Yes,
interviews you
ma'am.
have attended, not the same,
Yes,
isn't
ma'am.
it?
Yes. Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Like technical support, as like for this tech support jobs also, I have attended them, and for this core like developer or system engineer trainee, that also two three different types. Actually, I have gone through, ma'am.
So what conclusion you have concluded, like tech support, core developer? So where we are lagging behind, so what we have to do, what are the steps, what are the measures we have to
Yes, ma'am.
take to
Yes, ma'am.
achieve that?
Yes, ma'am. Like in order to get into something, ma'am, you have to first jot down the things like what are the skill set they are asking for,
Hmm.
depending upon the profile. Then you have to do this homework properly. You have to learn the technology, and you have to be well versed with the technical terminology, as well as you have to have an experience of in hand tools. Specifically, when we come out of the college, we'll not be knowing all those things, like since we are not working. But once we are in a mid career role, so we have to make sure that
So, sorry for the interruptions. That is why,
this, ma'am.
if you said that during our graduation,
Yes,
during
ma'am.
our course, we are not able to,
Yes, ma'am.
like we are
Hands
not
on, hands
familiar
on.
with the
Yes, ma'am.
company. Okay,
Yes, ma'am. Yes,
companies,
ma'am.
what
And
sort of work
environment.
they
Yes, ma'am.
have.
Exactly.
So for that, what requirement they, as a fresher, companies they recruit
Yes, ma'am.
freshers also
Yes,
even.
ma'am. Yes,
So
ma'am.
what they will check it out? They will check it out the projects.
Yes,
Isn't
ma'am.
it? In India, we don't have that sort of education. Okay, what you have learned, what knowledge you have, how you are going to implement that,
Yes, ma'am.
and
That's
how
what
you
the
are going to, one project can be done, individual person can do it, one project.
no, no, ma'am. Project is
It's a
usually
teamwork.
done teamwork.
Okay,
Yes, ma'am.
okay, it's a teamwork.
even
So
even
typically
the
how you
masters and like doctorate project also, ma'am, there is an internal guide and external guide.
yeah.
They'll in preface and disclaimer, they'll be thanking various people who are actually given them the resource, reviewed their document. So it's actually they even that is an individual work thesis, but he's taking help from some external source.
So individual, they are not cracking their brains. Okay,
Yes,
a
ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
teamwork. Okay, teamwork,
Yes,
suggestions,
ma'am.
experiences. So these minds are with them under the guidance of, for anything you have to accomplish a project. Teamwork. Okay, teamwork in an organization also. Individual is not doing a teamwork. Each and every team player has its own responsibility, and he can go for the help also if it's facing any difficulty. So these are the things, they it matters for any organization. Okay, so you should have both things. Okay, you should have manners, etiquettes, personal development. Okay, they will EDP. Okay, employee development program, they will train you. This training means they will provide this EDP programs, they will arrange organizations how to develop their employees personally. And communication, without communication you cannot resolve the problem, isn't it? So how you are going to communicate the things in tech supports or core developer? For tech support, most important thing is your communication skill
Yes,
and
ma'am.
your etiquettes, and how you are
Yes,
going
ma'am.
to manage the pressure, stress.
Yes, ma'am.
And for core developer, they will check it out for your base, your
Yes, ma'am. Foundation.
house certification.
Yes,
First
ma'am.
they will look it for the certification. If you have done, you have gone through certification, means you are well versed with the subject.
Yes, ma'am.
They will on hand, they will take you. For technical support, number of, like we have BPO, KPO. Okay, knowledge based outsourcing, and this one,
Business process.
business.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so in IT sector they have many opportunities. It's upon you what you have to take
Yes,
to
ma'am.
have a ride on there in IT sector.
Yes, ma'am.
So first prepare yourself, resume accordingly, you have to go. Okay, so today's class agenda is present different types of interview techniques. Okay, so we have seen what are the different types of interviews. Okay, and the techniques for responding to the questions, and how you are going to handle the interviewer. Already also we have seen, just we are reminding ourselves so that it should be there in our back of the mind. Okay. And to demonstrate the candidate's responsibility in interviewing, practice interviewing and receive feedback. Okay. Really, have you attended you have attended interview? Okay. Have you taken feedback from them? Anybody?
No, ma'am. Till now.
Like
Usually,
after
ma'am.
the interview, ma'am.
Yes, after the interview, have you?
Yeah. Yes, ma'am. Like I have waited for 3 days, 4 days. Again, I have sent one email.
Okay. Okay, good. Yes.
Actually, we should not do calls. My friend
Yes.
told that we
Yes.
should not do calls. With that, whatever the email will come for the interview, that email we
Yes.
have to reply.
Yeah, good. Yes. So you got response then?
Yes, ma'am. I got response, but no luck at the time.
No, no.
Yes.
Like, what do you feel that from their response? What correction you want to do in yourself so that you can go through the interview?
Yes, ma'am. Due to less preparation, ma'am, I
Okay.
need to prepare more on the subject knowledge. Subject.
Yes, so for the feedback, why you want to take the feedback, most important thing, even as a teacher from the students, teacher also take the feedback from the students so that he can correct himself. Okay. He has to correct so that whatever he is doing, whatever she is doing, her efforts, okay, that should be valid. If she is taking her efforts, that is not valid. The student is not taking the way she is doing, so it useless. So even teacher also take the feedback from the students so that he can correct it. So each and every individual has, they have to take the feedback so that you can correct it. You should not do the mistake again, repeating the same thing. No, no use. Okay. So good job you have done. Email is better. Okay. Because they may be busy with the business time. Okay. Office time you should not call. Through email. Okay. Nowadays through email you can get in touch with the people, organization. It's a better way, best way,
Yes,
professional way
ma'am.
of doing that.
And
Yeah,
we will
ma'am.
get 100% response, ma'am, with the email.
Oh, yeah, yeah. It's a professional way of getting the response from other side. So you have realized that, and really, mashallah, you are working hard. You have realized from your previous experiences that you have not done any practice. That's the reason you have not gone through the interview. Good.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. So
Like for
others
the
also.
next month, for next 1 month, I will not give any interview, ma'am. I am preparing this
Okay.
whole February. I'll prepare from March again. I will start.
Inshallah, mashallah. Yes. So according to SMART, follow this SMART, and inshallah you will achieve if you are going according to that. Analyze, realization is most important thing. Then only we can work on that. So practice interviewing and receive feedback. Okay,
Yeah,
feedback
ma'am.
is most important. Then
Yeah,
here,
ma'am.
yes, anybody you want to say, Mohammed?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. We can ask feedback in if HR will ask, no, ma'am. You have any questions? Then we can
Yeah,
ask.
yeah, yeah.
How do I compare with some of the other candidates you have interviewed? We can ask like this, ma'am.
You can ask on the
Yeah,
spot. We cannot say that you just give feedback on the
yeah,
spot.
yeah.
Give them 2 or 3 days, or we have discussed about what to ask to the interviewer, questions, what kind of questions we can ask to the interviewer. In last 2 3 classes we have discussed, isn't it?
Yes, ma'am. Yes,
So
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
yeah. So what kind of questions we can ask about the company, how the company is progressing, and what is your role, and what are the training sessions they will provide
And
for the new
career paths.
employers, and the training sessions will be for how many months. I have seen this project on website. organization website. I'm interested. You have to show the interest towards that also. So they may give you, because you have interest. Based on your interest, they will give you the job. Okay. If you're asking to the interviewer question, means you are showing interest towards the company, toward that is really you wanted. Okay. So anything you can ask for, any question for the interviewer? Yes. And here is the uh, definition for the interview. Okay. It's a conversation between employer and job applicant to assess the background and experience of the candidate as a fit for a position. Okay, whatever the position you have applied for, that the particular candidate is fit for that position or not, he will assess by checking his background and experience. Okay, so this is about the interview. And next is it's about the importance of knowing how to interview well. How you have to go through the interview well. Interviewing is marketing yourself. Okay, marketing yourself, and plan the language of my character to leave the impression you want with the interviewer. Take control of the image you want to present. Structure your responses to enhance your skills and fit for the position. Build rapport with the interviewer that may lead to the job offer. Present yourself in the best light possible. Remember, competition is tough. So anybody here, we have few points how to go through the interview. Okay. Main important point among these points are, you have to keep a rapport. Okay. Be friendly with the interviewer. Friendly means get in touch. How you will be rapid, you can build a good connection with the interviewer by asking the question related to the organization, what sort of project. After telling about yourself, you just talk about the company's ongoing work, company's culture, and company's operation. So he also gave an interest towards you. Just you have a talk on the organization's work, so you belong to the same thing. Okay, so like this you can build a connection with the interviewer that time, because first time you are meeting with the interviewer. Okay, so present yourself in the best light possible, and your first impression, okay, impression to the interviewer by your language. Okay, so give your best, try to become a best communicator. Anything you want to say? Anybody? Yes, anybody you want to say on these lines? Okay, first I'll complete this. Then planning for the interview. Before going for the interview, you just research the company and talk with current employees to learn about the culture, company's culture. Review the job description to identify the skills and experiences need to perform successfully in the job, and identify competencies and activities that you want to highlight. What are the abilities you have and the activities you have to highlight in front of the interviewer. Okay, and decide what three things do you want the interviewer to know about you, and what three things do you want to know about the job. So you have to prepare yourself for the three things you want to know about the job and about the interviewer. Okay, and present yourself as you have these abilities and you have involved in these activities and your performance in that activities. Highlight these things. Okay, and go through the company as well, job description. I am audible? Then
Yes.
parts of an interview.
Yes, ma'am, you are audible.
Yes. So parts of an interview here: overview of position, introduction, overview of position, introductions of interviewers, discussion of process, questions for candidate, candidate questions of the interviewer, closing, next steps, next step, follow up. Okay. So these are the different parts of interviews. First, you are telling about yourself. Then overview of position means which positions you have applied. Just have an overview of that in the discussion in the interview. Then the have a introduction of interviewers. You want to know about the interview, ask about him, and discussion of process. You got the position, okay, job description, so have a discussion on process, what sort of process is that. Then questions for candidate, they will pose few questions to the candidates, and the candidates also pose questions to the interviewer. Then closing, then follow up, take the follow up. So this is the parts of an interview. So follow these steps. You, inshallah, you can proceed through an interview. Opening the interview, elevator speech. Okay, 2-3 minutes you have to about yourself and career. In about yourself, you have to highlight career, work experience, education, and current job interest also. It's very important. You have to show your interest towards the current job description. You have you are interested in this particular operation or project. You have to, for that you have to research in the company's site and job description also. Then character statement, not an elevator speech, reflects the central themes in your life, reflects the values you are guided by, becomes the form and the reference point for the interview. Okay. And have a talk that you can give a references during the conversation in the interview. Give 2 or 3 references, this person, that person. Okay, it's give a good impact. Then types of interview styles: behavior based interview, situational interview, threat interview, conversational interview, gut feel interview. So behavior based interview is structured and job focused. This is an objective, systematic, consistent method based on examples of past experience to assess how candidate will perform in similar circumstances on the job. May incorporate additional interviewers, panel interviews, use contrary example to ensure representative response. Here, for a behavior based interview, questions tell me about a time, describe a situation. So by this, he can understand how you will handle the situation. This is about your behavior based interview. Then situational interviews, more structured and job related to assess skills that apply to job performance, assess behavior in the present or what may occur in the future, use simulations, hypothetical situations or role plays, and assess the candidate's response, questions, presenting a dilemma and asking candidate to solve. So like yesterday we have seen this sort of hypothetical situations. Okay, managing the situational interview. Take time to understand the question, case, instruction, etc. Relax as much as possible if you get a hypothetical question during interview. Thread interviews, questions are person related but structured. Goal is the measurement of key personality traits that may or may not apply to job. Questions relate more to personal characteristics rather than to job skills. Examples are here. To what extent are you an organized person? How do you assess yourself in terms of adaptability? List your most positive qualities for me. Are you more aggressive or relaxed when faced with the problem? So this is about your qualities based on your what sort of qualities you have. They will check it out by posing this type of questions. These are the very good questions for the experienced candidates. To what extent are you an organized person, they will ask. For tech support also, they may ask this sort of question: how organized you are, and how you will adopt the adaptability, how you will assess yourself in terms of adaptability. It is most important question. You should be adopt the culture, how you are going to adopt the company's culture. They will check it out for that. List your most positive qualities for me. And are you more aggressive or relaxed with the problem? Okay, conversational interviews, seemingly unstructured interview focusing mainly on job experience and job skills, resembles a conversation between two equals. Interviewer is interested in your values, uses process to make candidate comfortable enough to reveal desired information, uses rapid rather than structure as a tool for gathering information. Okay, during conversation, interviewer trying to get the information, okay, by building up a good connection with the candidate. He used to take the information from you only. That is a conversational interviews. Okay, that managing the conversational interview, remain on guard, do not relax, build rapid with the interviewer, be informal but professional, provide examples of how well you work with others. Okay, and this gut feel interviews means from your senses, how you will feel, sixth sense, you can say that. Okay, from your uh, thought, the interviewer think that you are best candidate, I can so you can fit for this. So this type of interview focus is initiative, intuitive. Okay, focus is intuitive and person related. Person to see, purpose to see how candidate measures up to subjective selection criteria. General impression is the basis for selection. No structured interview questions. Emphasis on personal characteristics. And for this, no structured interview form is used. Questions may be about pet theories, illegal topics, personal characteristics. Evaluation is based on how much you are liked. Hiring decisions is based on subjective reactions. So these about the questions related to the that type of interview. Replying to the questions, structure your reply to focus on situation, obstacles, actions, results, and evaluations. So situations mean what was the candidate was involved in, then obstacles the candidate overcame in order to achieve the objective. Actions, what did the candidate do to accomplish the task. Results, what happened, when were the results. Evaluation, what did the candidate learn from the experience, what might the candidate do differently in the future. Weave in your character themes to reinforce your replies. Then, knowing what to say, plan and prepare for your interview in advance. Develop answers to common questions. Be as specific as possible. Don't generalize. Remember, interviewing is marketing yourself and leaving the impression you want the interviewers to remember. Be very positive. Exhort enthusiasm. Think carefully before responding to the question. Vary your voice. Don't be monotone. Change volume. Be consistent. Be be consistent. Be prepared to think on your feet. Who are you interviewing with? Human. So these people, they will take interview for you. What human resource managers, journalists, hiring manager, usually the final decision makers, peripheral managers, colleagues, clients, managers, supervisors, or others the position interacts with. Okay, So three people in the panel. In previous classes, we have also discussed from one of the person from HR department and from the operation and the department also. Okay, so there will be there three persons, any three person maybe, or any one person they will take. Panel means three members or single person interview. Okay, common interview questions: why do you want to work in this industry? Tell me about yourself. Why are you leaving your current position? Where do you see yourself in 5 years? What is the one of your weaknesses? What salary are you looking for? Tell me about your previous boss. Why should I hire you? Tell me about a time you failed and what did you learn from it? And how do you explain your gap in employment? When were you most satisfied in your job? What did you like least about your job? Describe a time when you did not get along with a coworker. What motivates you? How would your friends describe you? So this is, and what are the tough questions? Questions that you cannot or don't want to answer, questions that are difficult to answer, questions that are illegal, questions are that ill conceived. So these are the questions that these questions are tough. So we'll move towards here. This here we have 15 questions one by one. Please answer any two questions. Why should hire you? And tell me about your previous boss. When were you most satisfied in your job? So one by one, please answer this any two questions. Yes, please.
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
anybody? Yes.
Why do you want to work in this industry?
Yeah.
Yes, ma'am. Like uh, basically these days, all of the individuals are looking to migrate to the information technology stream. So the people are really fascinated, and we are getting a long term careers in that. So out of that, an individual has to shortlist and select. So, among the various career opportunities out in the market, and the domain which I'm really interested in, and which I have a skill set, is what is information security. So, and I have been working on information security, and even my academic qualifications do qualify on it, and I have the certification as well. So, and I believe that in this field, like it's a field that it's a field wherein an individual will not get bored. Like day to day, he'll be learning the new things, the new threats, the new vulnerabilities, and the new security measures an individual has to come up with. So this field requires the constant learning. Actually, all the IT fields usually requires the constant learning, but I believe that this is one of the challenging field in IT industry. So I'm looking forward to work because of that, ma'am. And why should I hire you? So I like with the job roles and descriptions, and with the like requirements that you have mentioned, I carry the academic qualifications and also the skill set that is required for it. Besides, I also have then industry related certification, and I have an experience of the corporate culture, and how the things goes in day to day, how the day goes in and out in a cyber security role, and how is the workflow flow basically. So with that, all those things, I believe that I'll be a perfect candidate if I get hired for this position. Thank you.
Okay, good. Tell me about a time you failed and what did you learn from it? And your previous boss. And where do you see yourself in 5 years? You should say, don't say about that I want to be in that company after 5 years. So don't say like this answer. I want to be. Yes.
Like, what salary are you looking for? I have one answer, ma'am, for this.
Okay.
Like, we have to say that I'm more interested in your job. Like, I'm more interested in the role that
Hmm.
than the pay, and I
Yeah.
expect to be paid appropriate money for this role based on my experience. As
Yes.
you know that the high living cost here in Hyderabad or
Yeah.
wherever in Bangalore or Mumbai.
Yeah. Yeah. According to that.
Yes. Like, directly if we say about the salary means it will not be
Yeah.
good. Like, according to my role and my experience and the
Yes.
company norms, we can say.
Yeah. Yeah. Good answer.
Thank you.
This one, most satisfied in your job. When were you most satisfied in your job? What did you like least about your job? Yes, anybody? Yes, anybody, please come up with the answers. Yes, come up with the answer. Here, interview question. Why are you interested in doing this type of work after doing this? So here, personally consider, do you have the appropriate skills for the role? How happy will you be in that role? Why are you considering this role? Convincing your interviewer. Admit that you are worried to take salary off the table. Emphasis your strengths and accomplishments. Discuss lifestyle implications. Distance yourself from the higher qualifications. Indicate you want to learn. Make a commitment also. Commitment also most important thing. Like we have here, why were you fired? Okay, these are the tough questions they may pose you. These are the tough questions. You want to say on this, being overqualified. How you will convince this for this answer, for these questions, overqualified. So how you are going to convince this? Make a commitment and indicate you want to learn and distance yourself from the higher qualifications. Emphasize your strengths and accomplishments.
Yes, ma'am. Like, ma'am, ideally, with this, the things that are given on this slide, I have few points, ma'am, but in general, I would like to ask you, ma'am. Like, usually, I have seen in Gulf, ma'am, like people say you have to, if you are a master's, if you have a master's degree, you have to hide your master's degree. Why? Because like usually the interviewers, they carry that notion, like that idea in mind that these masters people will not they'll switch the jobs easily and they'll not stay with us for long term time. So usually you have to hide your like master's degree.
No
Like,
need of
yes,
hiding
ma'am.
master's degrees. Master, if you are a master degree candidate, means you are well versed with the knowledge. As
Yes,
a
ma'am.
graduate, okay, if you are
Yes,
a graduate, you are not well versed with the knowledge. Okay,
yes,
I think so. In my opinion,
yes,
if you
ma'am.
are master in the degree or
Yes,
in
ma'am.
specialized subject, means you have some experience. You have given a second thought for the
Ye-
subject.
yes,
That
ma'am.
is a master degree,
Master
isn't
degree.
it?
Yes, yes, ma'am. Exactly.
So it is the for any special, okay, from graduation, okay, in bachelor degree we are taking, we have selected some stream.
Yes,
We
ma'am.
got this bachelor degree in a particular three
Particular stream.
subjects. Okay.
Yes,
So
ma'am.
if you are taking a command, if you are doing a master degree, means you have taken a command over that subject.
Yes, ma'am.
That means, so you have a command.
Yes,
Command
ma'am.
with experience mean you are well versed
Yes,
with
ma'am.
that. In IT, for in education system. Okay, in
Like,
educational
yes, ma'am.
department. Okay, for
Yes, ma'am.
IT,
Yeah, yeah,
certification is
yeah,
most
yes, ma'am.
important thing.
That's
If
what
you
I was
are
saying,
a
ma'am.
computer engineer, IT engineering, you have done, but you don't have any certification, means
Yes, ma'am.
they won't
That, yes, ma'am.
accept that.
They will not accept. Yes, exactly.
Yes. So that is the base. You have aware of that subject only. Awareness you have. You have not
Yes.
gone
Okay. For the
yeah,
for the
you have
certification.
not dive it in that subject.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. You just have glance that subject like that. Okay, you can realize. Okay,
Yes.
so don't hide anything, even as a
Yes, ma'am.
doctor. Okay,
Yes, ma'am.
today in Aurangabad, or I have seen even
Yes.
MBBS candidates, and they have experience. They are teaching for competitive exams. They are teaching for the competitive exams because they got the command over the subject, and they got the how to. The main important thing is you have to have everything in your mind, but how to convey the things, how to elaborate the things, that you should have that command.
Yes.
So for that, master degree is important. After that, PhD is there.
But like what you said is exactly right, but you know this all stuff like academics people will actually admit they really acquire you actually in your answer itself. I got what I want to ask, ma'am. Like for industry side, they are more concerned with certifications or
Yeah.
like projects and the
Yes.
things you have handled. They are more of concerned with those sort of things, like what
Yes.
certifications you carry and what different roles you have and what on what tools and technologies you have worked on. So they are more of interested in that, like they keep the qualification aside and they are more focused on like skill set, like your certifications and your real time like whatever skills you carry basically.
Yes. In the engineering curriculum or in B.Ed curriculum, they have the soft skills as a subject. Okay, isn't it? IELTS type of listening skills also, soft
Yes, ma'am.
skills. These
Yes,
sort
ma'am.
of things are there
Yes, ma'am.
because we are going through that.
Yes.
We are going through that with other subjects also.
Yes, ma'am.
So if you want to gain an expertization, you have to take a dive into that, and you have to work on that, practice, then only you can go through it. So this here we nowadays we got here. Okay, here we are getting exposure for practicing. Okay, Zoom online we are going, we no need for a shop for going for any institute physically. From your home only you got the opportunity. There people, they are organizing this sort of things so that you can come up with the practice. These sort of things are practicing only, discussing and going through. You have to, if you are really want to do, you individual has to do the practice. Take some time and do your practice. So overqualified means make a commitment that I am okay, fine. For this, suppose uh, you are master degrees and you want to apply for, you have applied for the technical support. There you get a question that you are overqualified, isn't it?
Yes,
I
exactly,
am
ma'am.
correct?
Exactly, ma'am.
Yeah. So means you get the exposure about the industry once you get the entry into that industry. Okay, so you have starting that by doing that technical support. It depends on your interest also. So make a commitment, indicate you want to learn. So one point is you want to learn. Okay, and commitment for 1 year or 2 years. In between you are not going to go out of this. Like that commitment should be there. and have a distance from the higher qualification you have. Don't say that I am doing this, I have this qualification. So, so MBBS doctors also, they are in the teaching also. They are not practicing, okay? They are teaching also. Then how old are you? Variations like this questions. And will you be using this job as a bridge to retirement? What are your salary requirements? How you feel about working in a fast paced environment? Okay, these are the very good questions. How you feel about working in a fast paced environment? Because in IT industry, IT sector, the working environment is very fast paced. Whereas in education system, so most of them, they are moving from teaching to towards IT sector. So how they will manage? Yes, this is the very good question. You have to, anybody please. And this is, I'm excited about this position and plan to continue working for a long time. How you will answer for this? How you can elaborate for this? You want to convince for that particular position, okay? How you will convince to the interviewer? Yes, anybody? Yes, Mr. Muhammad Amjad and Faraz. About these questions, industry, competition, leadership, job specific questions. Yes. Okay, we'll do another presentation. Can you see this presentation? Okay, about yourself and how you are going to answer for this. About yourself, your weakness, what are your weaknesses, and why you want to work with us and willing to relocate or
You're not
travel or
overqualified.
overqualified to this position. So this is usually asked as an opening question. Okay, and the purpose is to get a sense of the candidate's mindset and communication skills, and it helps the interviewer to decide how to take the interview forward. So once you are telling about you, he got the question from you and he will continue the interview. Okay, so the purpose of asking this question about yourself is to check the candidate's mindset, communication skills, and it helps the interviewer to decide how to take the interview forward. Your response needs to be extremely well structured. Understood? Like, you have to, what you have to tell about yourself, you have to prepare a script, structured script. First, qualification, then second is, please, second, how you are going to structure your about yourself first. Yes.
First name, ma'am. Second address, third qualification and
No, no,
experience.
no,
Ma'am.
no, 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 sir, no. Yesterday also we have seen about yourself, what you are going to say. 4 things. First qualification, your skill set, your achievements, your experience. Okay. These are the 4 most important areas you have to focus. Okay. What are the 4 areas you have to focus? Yes, first.
Ma'am,
Skills,
qualifications.
ma'am. Qualification skills.
Yes, first qualification. Second,
Second, experience.
third,
uh, like, then this one, strengths and weaknesses, strengths and like job interest, I think.
job interest.
Skills.
Okay,
Yes,
first
strength,
your qualification,
qualifications.
second skill set,
Yes, ma'am.
third experience or
Skill set.
achievements or projects, then fourth is
Strengths and weaknesses, strengths, ma'am, strengths
strength and
and hobbies,
weaknesses and your hobbies. Okay,
strengths, weaknesses and hobbies. Yes,
these
ma'am.
4 things. Okay,
Qualification, skill set, experience, strengths, weaknesses, hobbies. Yes, ma'am.
yes. So in what skill set, achievement and your experience. Okay, both. Or achievements means projects done.
Yes.
Okay, achievement, experience, strengths and goals also. Okay, so once again repeat one by one. What is the structure of your about yourself?
Yes, ma'am. First, we have to start with our like personal introduction, a short point on us. Then we have to come on qualification, skill set, experience, strength, weaknesses, and hobbies.
Okay, next please. What is your structure for about yourself? Mr. Amjad.
Yes, ma'am. First
Yes.
qualification, ma'am. Second skill sets and third experience, project assignments. Fourth strength, weakness, hobbies like that.
Okay, good. So now you are clear, everybody. What you have to say?
Yes, ma'am.
See, these 4 things you have to focus. You start with your name and don't keep your hand on the table. Be straight. Your posture, eye to eye contact, and try to give your best in speaking. Take your time. Speak. Emphasis on the words. Strong words should be there. Okay, so because that about yourself, it's the first and the last impression you are giving to the interviewer, isn't it? First impression is the last impression. Okay, next, this question usually, why are your weaknesses? What are your weaknesses? Okay, so this question usually puts most candidates on the back foot. Why? Because if you are too honest, it might be a black mark against you. If you say this, okay, very honestly, so you'll get a black mark, isn't it? So you have to
Yes.
say in different manner. Okay, I have these weaknesses, I am overcoming this. Okay, I have practiced this, like that you have to put. Okay,
Like we can say, my weakness is like fear. I want to overcome fear. We can say in that way also.
yes, how you have overcome that, you have to say also that. Means
Okay,
you
okay.
have the guts of, if you have this weakness, you have the guts to overcome that, and you are on the path of over, you're realizing the weaknesses and overcoming that. So you should have that attitude of realizing your mistakes and correcting and proceeding further. So you should have a positive. Okay,
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. This third line starts with, you need to have some degree of honesty and
yeah,
diplomacy.
yes,
So
diplomacy.
yes, this is very very much important, ma'am. Like
Hmm.
you need to have honesty, degree of honesty and diplomacy.
You
So
have to
that,
change how you're,
yes, ma'am.
what are the alternates you are taking. Okay,
Yes, yes,
yeah, you're pretending that I am doing,
yes,
but
ma'am.
you're trying hard for that.
Yes, ma'am. That is what it.
Diplomatic also yesterday we discussed.
Yes, ma'am.
Diplomacy same. Means you are pretending that I am doing, I am on the path, I will overcome that. Okay, that way. So on the other hand, if your answer sounds too tailor made to the vacancy, the interview is likely.
Then it assume that we are lying.
Yes, assume that. So you need some degree of honesty. He will check by asking this question, he will check your honesty and how you are going to resolve that. Honestly, you are saying that I am this sort of person. Honestly, you are saying, and and you are realizing how you are going to overcome that also, your mistake. So that you should have that. Okay, and should also be able to show how you have understood your weakness. Okay, and how you have overcome it, or it never interferences with your work also. You have to give the commitment that this type of weakness, it will not interfere with your work. Okay, suppose you say I am very talkative, my weakness is I am very talkative. So how you will say, how diplomatic? Okay, honestly you said that I am very talkative. How diplomatic you are? How you will say, how you will diplomatic answer? You say, but during my working hours I will concentrate only on my work. Okay, time bound task, whatever the task I have given with that, so I will accomplish that on time. My focus, or during my working hours, my focus on the work only. Okay, time to time you have to involve yourself. Okay, once the work is completed, you have the quality of, you are very talkative, so it's a good quality also. You are building a bond among the team also by doing this talkativeness, isn't it? Yes, I'm audible.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. You're audible.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Yes.
ma'am.
Next, so you got the clear picture of weaknesses. So today, please try to write about your weaknesses and how you are going to resolve that. Okay,
Ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
overcome. Write those points also.
Okay, ma'am.
Why do you want to work with us? Typical answer, the most typical answer would be, cause this is my dream company or dream job. You can say. Okay, this is the dream company. Everybody they have a dream. Okay, dream job, IT job. Okay, here the interviewer can trap you by asking, what if you don't get this job? Be realistic and broaden your answer to the sector or certain good practices that particular company is known for. Example, good career development and excellent mentoring program, great retail innovations, trend setting ideas, etc. That you may sound well read, like you have researched the company and are making an educated and well thought out decision versus an emotional one, isn't it? If you got the good and best and better training, you can be well versed employer there in the company, isn't it? If you have the skill of adapting the things around you, if you from the environment, if you are adapting the things, you will be well versed to work in that dream company, isn't it? So you are giving the answer like this. If you are providing me the career development program, good career development program and excellent mentoring program, so I can be research the company. So make you are making, company is making you educated with that, and you can do it with the well thought out decision versus an emotional one. So you have the emotion of, what sort of emotion? Dream company you have. But that company, they are providing you the training. During the training you will be well versed, so that you can do the work in that company. You can answer this way. Anybody you want to discuss on this question? It's very good question. You may get, because you are from different, you have experiences in different companies, okay, in different operations. So how you will justify the answer for this? Like, why do you want to work with us, or your dream company, dream job? Yes. Yes, anybody? Are you willing to relocate or travel? You need to have thought this one out. You also need to have consultant with your family prior to the interview. Your answer has to be a truthful one. You cannot say yes just to get the job and then back out later. Okay, this is also very much important for you. If the answer is in the negative, explain the reasons and emphasize how your commitment to the company, your zeal to be a part of the team is still very high. However, please do not, in case relocation or traveling is important to this role, then you might not get the job. Yes, how you will answer to this question? Relocate or travel? Anybody? Yes, how you are going to answer to this question? Be truthful, and according to that you have to say the answer. An answer should not be in the negative. Give in a diplomatic manner. Right now I cannot move. In future, because I have to be here with my family, like as my children are studying here. So so you can I cannot relocate. If you find any opportunity here in Hyderabad, I am willing to work. I am very committed, you can say. Explain the reasons and emphasis how your commitment to the company, your zeal to be a part of the team is still very high. Yes.
Yes, ma'am. If we are
How you will
equally,
answer?
then we should be in polite, ma'am. We can't, but usually we can't now, but later we can. Like,
Yes. And still also you have the zeal of be a part of your company with high zeal. Okay, you have to show the interest. Here they are not giving. So if you show the zeal, your interest, they will accommodate you there, that in that city also. They will find a way for you. Then are not you overqualified for this position? A question which needs to be careful answered. It needs to have been thought out beforehand. You have to thought out beforehand, because if the interviewer senses your hesitation, then he or she knows that you are in agreement and are only looking at the role as a stopgap arrangement until you find something better. Understood this point?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
So focus on
Yes.
building a connection between your competencies and those required by the job as the reason for your interest in the role. In this way, overqualification does not become a point of
Point of
discussion at
discussion.
all. Okay, means don't say that I am not getting a job as a core developer. That is, I am looking for a this one,
Technical
technical
support.
support. Technical support. So don't say that, because we are doing the arrangement of the gap. You have to make a connection that I have these abilities, and I want requirement is there for this job, and you are very committed, and you will not focus, you will not keep your qualification in between, and does not become a part of discussion at all. So in the future, you have committed to this job for 2 years or 1 years, be on that path only. have a good work as a good candidate. You can do your work. So you just show this. Try to build a connection as you have the more qualities, more abilities. But right now I am suitable for this job description. You have to convince these things. You want to contribute your abilities for this current job. You have to express this. Okay, I hope so you got the answer for your question, Usman Ali. Can you frame how you will frame this answer for you have come across
Yes,
about
ma'am.
this
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
overqualified?
Yes, ma'am. Like basically, if we have done a proper if we have brushed our skills properly with respect to job roles and responsibilities, so then we can actually justify that our my masters or my overqualification is not a barrier in taking up the position, and I'm committed to for this role. And I'm really personally I'm committed and interested in an opportunity in this domain. That's why I'm looking for it that way.
Yeah, yeah, good. Yes, next, anybody? And for this, willing to relocate or travel? Answer for this. Yes, anybody answer for this? So shall we stop here today? Inshallah, tomorrow with new topic,
Yes, ma'am.
we'll have a session. Okay, please work on this. These are the most important questions, overqualification weaknesses. Please write down about this research and do get the answers. Okay,
Yes, ma'am.
you got the idea about the weaknesses and this one overqualification. Okay, assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.